In this video, we're going to go over how you can get a red name here in Clash Royale. This is super easy to do, but it can be a little complicated, so don't skip too far in this video. But before we dive into this, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. But if you want your name to stand out in a bright red color here in Clash Royale, here's exactly how you can do it. First things first, click on these three lines in the main menu and click on settings, and then go ahead and tap change name. Now the first time you do this, it is going to be free, but the second time you do this, it's going to cost 500 gems, so make sure that you 100% want to do it before doing so. In my case, I'm going to have to pay 500 gems, which is okay, but you're going to want to use a certain format for this. Now in this case, C2 stands for red, so what we're going to do is type in this little bracket here, and then we're going to put in C2 in caps, and then go ahead and close out that bracket just like so, and then type in your name. So in this case, I'm going to do just Boz, and then go ahead and wrap this bracket up by doing another one, this little dash just like so, and then another one of these closing brackets, and then a capital C, and then another one of those closing brackets. But that's it. Your name is now going to show up in red once you hit continue to every single person in the game. Obviously, I'm not going to do this right now because I don't really want a red name, but that's just me personally. I'm going to do a blue one. If you want a blue one, let us know down in the comment section below, or check out the channel because we probably already have a video on it. But before you leave, make sure to like the video and subscribe, as well as turn on notifications for even more Clash Royale tips. Have a great day. Peace.